exocad is the world's largest provider of dental CAD software. It enables different kinds of dental providers, and I'll list them in a minute, to provide a wide range of business-oriented dental solutions that span a huge range of applications, ranging from scan-only systems to complete systems, including manufacturing. We sell to scanner vendors, CAM and mill vendors. We sell to material companies. We sell to 3D printer companies. We sell to traditional system integrators that focus their business on just putting systems together. All kinds of different companies with all kinds of different value propositions use exocad inside to provide their CAD engine because it's simple and easy. So exocad started actually as a research project at the Fraunhofer Institute, which is the largest government-sponsored research institution in the world, sponsored by the German government. And our two founders were PhD students that studied there in the late 1990s and did their PhD dissertation on graphics software. When they realized that it was perfect for a graphics platform for dental, they then negotiated to get an exclusive license for that technology and turn that into the exocad that we know today. A bit of a startup story. It's hard to believe that a company that's this small, we're only a little over 20 people, believe it or not. We're covering now 6 continents. We have over 7,000 licenses deployed in the world. And this is all done because our approach to the whole market has been open and to enable other people to succeed with their own business models. exocad right now is not specifically a dentist product. We've been focused 100% on the lab technician-based user to provide all kinds of restorations from crowns and bridges to implants to bars, overdentures, all kinds of things like that. We're expanding our offering all the time. Right now, we've been waiting for enough intraoral scanners to be out there and open to be able to do the same kind of thing we did in the lab business into the intraoral business and the chair side. You should look for products like that from us sometime next year. The difference actually between us and the closed systems, we can close exocad. In other words, if our business partner comes to us and says, I have a model where I have to make money building a particular material, we lock the system down so that can only be done. We're happy to do that. It depends exactly on the business model. So we come from an open background. We can be as flexible, but we can also be very specific as far as getting it closed down. Now, relative to some of the closed systems that say they're open, there we have a little bit of an issue. exocad for 2 major reasons. First of all, we believe it's the simplest and easiest to use CAD system on the market. When you have to customize it as much as we do for all these different business models, you can't have any basic problems that aren't uncovered by one of your resellers somewhere. So it's extremely stable, it's extremely easy to use. Our base crown and bridge module has one of the widest selections of crown and bridge restorations available today. And our add-on modules give you the power to do just about anything. So it's really flexibility, and the key thing for the end user is to find a reseller who is a good match for your way of doing business.